Hello and welcome everyone to this morning's daily market report brought to you on behalf of CommunityFT for CommunityFT members, in which we're going to take a look, folks, at some major movements to potentially occur in the next 24 hours. But before we do that, let us at this point embrace a quick risk warning. So if we can all familiarise ourselves with the information in front, engage as much as is possible, simply so that hereafter any decisions you make in your trading are of a fully informed nature. Okay, on the cards just this morning, guys, let's take a look at some economies, the value of those economies as is reflected by the value of their currency. And let's also take a look then at crude oil to help us analyse energy. So let us switch to the platform for a more detailed inspection. In front of us, everyone, we're looking at the daily chart of euro versus US dollar. Now, there is a large economic announcement today, and we say large could be defined as a high impact expected from the same, and that is the Federal Reserve Chair, Janet Yellen, is set to speak. And Janet Yellen is the lady who announces to the public the short-term interest rates. So as a result of her speaking, and what she, of course, delivers to us, there may be a large movement in this market, depending on where her figures lie with regard to expectations or relative to expectations. So, if we look at this technically, also, it's safe to say that we're in a bullish channel now, which means the US dollar is weakening against the euro, and all seems to be kind of in a more retracement situation from the recent very strong US dollar. Okay. Furthermore, then, let us take a look at crude oil. So in front of us, guys, we're looking at the daily chart of crude oil. Now, crude oil had its inventory figures released yesterday. There was a little bit of volatility, not more than usual, though, to be honest, as a result of the same. And what we have is, as well, on this chart, a couple of nice sets of indicators. Okay, we see that the 55-day exponential moving average and the commodity channel index, when used for confirmation, seem to be relatively accurate, okay, with regard to helping us scan for breakouts and large movements in the market. But the only problem is that those sort of indicators are lagged, and they don't necessarily include a trade filter. So for one who was using it in this situation, may have also used it here, just here, and may have lost on those two instances. Similarly, those who have entered here on the 55-day exponential moving average, believing the market will creep up, have been incorrect. And that's why with any trend trading system, it's very important to have a set filter as to where the market is actually, or taking into account really the market's most recent behaviour, hence allowing that to shape your entry analysis for the future. And in our systems, we wouldn't have actually entered here because of the recent breakout, believing the market is more likely going to range now than continue to break. So we hope that's been of help. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to get in touch. We welcome all inquiries. Look forward to hearing from you. As we say here, guys, keep learning and have a good day.